Ready? Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I don't need a lot of things, I can get by with nothing. With all the blessings life can bring, I've always needed something. But I've got all I want and it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like a rain. I need you like mercy from heaven.
Nanay, happy birthday nanay. Wish ko po sa inyo, sana po maging malakas po kayo buong buhay. Love you, nanay.
Happy birthday, nanay.
I love you.
Happy birthday,
Nanay.
happy birthday,
Nanay. I love you, Nanay. Come on.
Happy birthday, Nanay Peli. We love you so much.
Hi! Happy birthday! Wish ko, syempre, humaba pa buhay mo, maging malusog, maging masaya, bawal may stress. Enjoy your birthday, Nay. See you soon. I love you. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan. Mahal ko kayo ni tatay. Ingat! Enjoy your birthday, Nay. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Hi Nanay, maligayang kaarawan. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo Nanay, sana huwag kayo magkasakit, ilayo kayo sa anumang kapahamangan at mahabang buhay ni Tatay. Ngayong birthday mo, sana sa simpleng handang meron ka, sana mag-enjoy ka kasama ng mga kapatid ko at mga apo mo, pati mga kaibigan mo. Basta huwag ka papa-stress, kayo ni Tatay, laging good vibes lang. Inumin yung mga maintenance. Kung ipagkakaloob ni Lord, baka uwi na ng Pinas. Ingat kayo lagi ni Tatay, ingat kayo dyan. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Lalo na ako, alam nyo naman yan. Basta masaya kayo, masaya na rin kami magkakapatid. Yun lang, miss ko na kayo, Nay. Ang ganda na ng anak mo. Joke lang. I love you, Nay. Ingat kayo dyan.